Hello, class. I am Professor Big Hook. Today we learn about tariffs. Don't worry, we'll use bananas to make it simple. Monkey Land has many monkeys, but not enough bananas. Banana Land has many bananas, but fewer monkeys. So Monkey Land buys bananas from Banana Land, that's importing. When Banana Land sells bananas, that's exporting. Monkey Land monkey gets cheap bananas. Banana Land farmers make money. Everyone is happy. But then Monkey Land government says, wait, we will add a tariff, a tax, on every banana from Banana Land. Tariffs can be a set amount per banana or a percentage of the price. Most governments like percentages, Q. When there are no tariffs, that's called free trade. Bananas move easily from Banana Land to Monkey Land. Simple, right? If a country sells more bananas than it buys, that's called a trade surplus. If it buys more bananas than it sells, that's a trade deficit. When tariffs are added, the price of imported bananas goes up. Local banana sellers cheer, but monkeys who just want cheap bananas? Not so happy. If Banana Land feels cheated, they can strike back with their own tariffs. Monkey Land might retaliate again. And so begins a trade war. This back and forth is called a trade war. And yes, it can go bananas very fast. Sometimes tariffs make local bananas look more attractive, even if they aren't as good or as plentiful. Other times, tariffs are just bargaining chips in bigger political games. And of course, sometimes governments just want money. That's pretty much it. Big banana corporations may survive tariffs, but small stands? They could go out of business. But tariffs can also delay future products. Fewer bananas today means fewer banana products tomorrow. Tariffs usually affect physical things you can hold. But what about digital products? E-books? Art? Even NFTs? Some tariffs are about the environment. Countries can be taxed if they harm nature while making their products. The more carbon emissions a banana costs to grow, the higher the tariff might be. And yes, there was even a real banana war. Not metaphorical, actual bananas. In 1993, European monkeys gave Caribbean monkeys lower tariffs to help their economy. But American monkeys weren't happy. They said Europe was playing favorites, so America retaliated with tariffs of their own. And back and forth it went. Eventually, the World Trade Orangutan had to step in. The banana trade war lasted almost 20 years before it was settled. Eventually, tariffs dropped, and everyone got bananas again. So why do tariffs matter? They change prices, change trade, and sometimes start wars. All from a banana. Tariffs can help, but they can also hurt. It depends on balance. Too many tariffs? Monkeys pay more. No tariffs at all? Some businesses fail. Balance is the key. In the end, tariffs are just tools. Like bananas, they can be useful or messy. Remember, tariffs may shift today's trade, but long-term growth comes from planting more banana trees. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about finance with Professor BigFoot.